The pin deck measures 11 3/4 inches on a side. The spacing between posts for the pins appears to be 3.5 inches. Let's confirm that. Yeah, 3.5 inches. Each pin has a diameter of 3/16. Right. The tray's inside measurement is 21 inches square. The mounting location for the post is centered at 10.5 inches. It has this collar that is 1 3/4 inches long by 1 1/4 inches wide, with 2 screws holding it into the tray edge. On the bottom of the tray there's a retainer for the bottom of the post to keep it from pivoting out. The pin deck is set 8 inches in from the back and 2 5/8 in from the front, and is centered, I presume, but measure 4 5/8 from that side and 4 5/8 from that side. The height of the pin deck is 2 1/4 inches. The height of the walls are 2 1/4 inches. The lip is 1/2 inch all the way around. The support flanges appear to be at, from the front of the tray, we'll call this the front, 9 5/8 and 13 inches. The front support flange is at 10.5. The rear buttresses are at 6 3/8 from the inside. A nylon washer is mounted on the post just below the swivel on some models of the game. It has a 1/2 inch outside diameter and a 1/4 inch inside diameter. The nylon swivel is 1 3/4 inches long. The nylon swivel is 3/4 inch high. The slot in the end of the swivel that receives the chain is approximately 1/8 inch in depth. In my opinion, this is a mistake in the design. I would actually create a keyhole such that the chain fed through the swivel and was pulled to the outside, locking it in. Thus, when the ball rotated around the post, the chain would be pulled into the slot, holding it tightly. This design, the ball can come out, especially when the swivel gets to be older. It gets worn out from the chain being pulled in and out of the swivel, and it tends to expand it. This is probably one of the more common places that you'll see homemade repairs. The hole in the swivel in which the pin at the top of the post passes through is 3/16 in inside diameter. This is the pin that mounts the swivel on the top of the post. It has a length of 1 5/8 inches and a diameter of 1/8 inch. When the pin is inserted in the post, 7/8 inch are exposed. On this pin, both the swivel and the nylon washer are mounted. Here the pin and the swivel are mounted to the post with the nylon washer. I did not bottom out the pin in the post because it makes the swivel snug to the post, thus restricting its swing. The length of the bottom of the pole, including the aluminum ferrule, which is tightly affixed, is 19 3/4 inches. The length of the top section of the pole is 18 inches. The fully assembled pole and the chain are both 36 inches long. The diameter of the ball is 1 11/16. The diameter for the hole that the bell on the end of the chain passes through is 3/8 of an inch. The depth of the hole is approximately half the diameter of the ball. The hole that the chain passes through has a diameter of 1/8 of an inch. The height of the ball is 1 5/8 inches. Notice that the top and bottom are slightly flattened. This is the 1/16 difference between the diameter and the height. Pins are 3.5 inches in height. The ends are 13/16 in diameter. The pit in the center of the pin is 3/8 in diameter. The diameter of the pin is 1 3/8 at the center. The diameter of the pin at a quarter way up is 1 3/16.